After the calamities of Ashura, the family of Imam Hussein alayhi salam were taken as captives from one city to another. On the 5th of Safar, they had reached Damascus, Sham, where the orphans and the ladies of Imam Hussein alayhi salam were paraded and verbally abused. They were thrown in the ruins where they were beaten and mocked with the severed heads of their families and companions. Imam Hussein alayhi salam, who had a 3-year-old daughter, Ruqaya. Ruqaya was hit and starved while weeping and asking for her father Hussein. Little did she know her father was martyred just a few weeks ago. Her cries reached Yazid and frustrated him. He ordered his servants to send the head of Imam Hussein alayhi salam on a plate to his weeping child Ruqaya. When young Ruqaya alayhi salam saw the plates covered with cloth, she explained to her aunt Zainab that she did not want food, but she wanted her father Hussein, until she lifted the cloth and was met with her father's severed head drenched in his blood. This young girl's heart was crushed. She cried and complained about the enemies to her father until no sound was heard. This is when Imam al-Sajjad alayhi salam told his aunt Zainab to lift his sister Ruqaya from the head as she has departed this world.
عزيزتي رقية، إن أباك في سفر يا حبيبتي.
لقد رأيت والدي في المنام. أبي يا حسين، أبي يا حسين، أبي يا
ما هذا السياط والنياح الذي يجري في قصره؟
سيدي، إنها طفلة من أطفال الحسين تريد أباها.
ماذا؟ تريد أباها؟ خذوا لها رأس أباها.
خذي هذا. هذا عم زينب، فإنني لا أريد الطعام، إني أريد أبي حسين.
عزيزتي رقية، إنه ليس طعاما، ارفعيها يا قرة عيني. رقية،
عمتي زينب،
عزيزتي رقية،
عمتي ارفع الطفلة من على رأس أباها. لقد فارقت روحها